All right, Papa Bravo, PB, PB. Big move in that stock right now. Papa Bravo, PB, PB. Huge bounce off lows, ladies and gentlemen. Basically from lows to highs, it wasn't small. 310 to 385, 75-cent jump. What is the volume? 89,000 pre first print. All right, gold products are on the move, guys. Gold products are on the move. Let's keep a close eye on them. Gold's up 26.5 points. They're going to be pricing it in. Come on, let's get on a grind trade. BTG. 390 or lower. Stop's going to be at 362. We'll see if there's any more upside movement to this, or it's going to get into a risk-off mode. We'll wait and see.